Today I'm going to be reviewing ELOVATE 15 glucose powder packets. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. This is what it looks like. I'm going to put the nutrition facts up here. Of course, it's just glucose 15.5 grams, which is what is recommended for people with diabetes. This is very easy to take. You can just take the packet and ingest it, or you can add a tablespoon of water if you need. It tastes pretty good, and it is, again, super easy if you're in a situation where you need to get the sugar into your body quickly. Remember that glucose and fructose are two different types of sugars. Glucose is going to be the quickest, most bioavailable, and does not have to be processed by the liver. Also, what's really nice about this, and I love, is that it is made in the USA and it is manufactured in an FDA approved facility. This gets 4.5 stars. It has over 470 reviews. It's an Amazon choice, which I love to see. So if you're looking for glucose, if you're looking for an easy way to take it, good for children, good for adults, these little packets are so easy and quick. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.